Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. I hope all is well with you. So I have something to share with us this morning because DPM fire back at Akpabio. So Akpabio, Gospel Akpabio, bragged on how they want to create another state in Delta State, which is Anioma State. Anioma State have been in the front line. People are talking about it for some months now on how to create a state called Anioma State and add it to Eastern Part because Anioma are actually Igbo people. So they want to create it, they want to carve it out and all that. And why carving it out, they're still on the mind that USB government or USB Biafra, United States of Biafra has been redeclared. And that is the reason why USB government says, okay, come on. No matter how you claim, how much you claim that, how long you pretend that you don't know that Biafra have been redeclared, it is our duty to remind you and force it into your ear and your brain, since you are very, very adamant about it. So we are here to let you know. And they did not just let Akpabio know, they kind of speak the language that you understand by making sure not only that they convey the message to him, but they put it in a way that sounds like if you don't want to listen, you don't have any other choice than to listen. And I love the way the boldness and the way DPM actually responded to this. So we are going to go through it this morning. But before then, please do me a favor, make sure you like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel. That is the ultimate thing to do. The major thing to do is to subscribe to the channel. Please kindly do that. It's not going to cost you anything. It's not going to take anything away from you. Please and please like the video. All right, so here is what DPM said. She made this publication on 26th March 26th 2026 as well. So as you can see here, she said okay, let me bring it up so you can see it as well, because this one is covering everything. Okay, here is the message from DPM. Press release, March 3rd. Sorry, March 26th, that is 3rd is month, March 26, 2020, March 26, 2026. The United States of Biafra people and the government hereby informs Nigerian agent Govt Akpabio and Nwoko that the state of Anioma with capital in Asaba is part of the 40 states of Biafra that was declared in Latin Finland on November 2029, 2024. That's November 29, 2024. She said, watch the video. But before then, she said again, any attempt to include the state into Nigerian state or terrorist APC party project will be resisted. The current governor for the state is Honorable Reverend John Izuebu. Biafrans in the state of Anioma is hereby called upon to give all the support to Honorable Izuebu and resist the terrorist Nigerian Tinubu government state, Nwoko and Gospel Akpabio, DPM. That's Dr. Ngozi Orapese. And she flashed the states, the copy of the 40 states, okay, here, for them to be aware that it's not just a method. Is a state, is a nation declared with full backup and evidence, everything intact. All right, hear this so that you understand what the message is all about. Because during that declaration, the video is also attached. So let's quickly play the video for you to hear. Very, very important. So this is the video of what happened that very day. The referendum declared, the United States of Biafra, and that happened on November 29th, 2024. So, but for those of them that claim they don't know, that is why this video is being attached. Okay, for more clarity, here it is.
Therefore, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile, His Excellency Simon Jacob, by virtue of the authority and pursuant of the issues and principles recited above, do hereby solemnly proclaim that the territory and region under the 40 Confederated States of Biafra, together with her continental shelf and territorial waters, shall henceforth regain her independence and act as an independent sovereign state with the name and title of the United States of Biafra.
That is when it was pronounced, and that is how it was being declared. And that day, the whole world, noticed it. Everybody witnessed it. Everybody was happy about it. So that is for clarity's sake.
The States of Biafra want to be free in a country where the police and the military are sworn to the Constitution and not to the president, head of state, politicians, or anyone else, where no man is above the law, where the police and military are empowered to question inhumane orders from unscrupulous politicians. And if such order is to invade a community and kill everyone there, they will say, hell no, what are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? The United States of Biafra, as an independent country, joins the United States of America in proclaiming that all men are created equal. With certain inalienable rights, including the right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. The United States of Biafra envisions a country where peace, unity, equity, and progress shall prevail. My fellow
Lazuba is nodding here as if she understands it. Okay, let me not go there though, because she's here and all these people that are saying different things, of course, they are there. You can see which will be the claim that it will be hated PM, that he sold PM, he did it. He's the one holding PM's picture. Okay, and if you have paid the close attention to the Reverend Sister here, her phone, she's displaying PM's picture. And someone else somewhere down here was, I think, holding or placed Master Namadagano's picture as well. Anybody telling you that DPM hate Master Namadagano, she said that Master Gano will come to the venue and stop it. That is not to say that I hate Master Namadagano. I want to be more smarter than that. I want to be more smarter than Master Namadagano. But they have to use all those things to deceive people. Maybe later we may come back to analyze this particular video in a good faith, so that people will understand that anybody trying to twist what happened in Finland, that person is doing that on his own different intention, just because the person wants to create problem, best known to him though. All right, so this update happened in Finland, and DPM have to go back to bring the picture back and the video back for more clarity. Then in one of the Nigerian newspaper called what is it called, News Share or whatever they call themselves, Nigerian News Share, okay, carried this news and said, as you can see here, the headline says, "Stay clear, Anioma State already in Biafran, USB warns Akpabio, Nwoko, Nigerian government." Okay, you have pictures here, DPM pictures here in their front page, on one of their pages. He said, the United States of Nigeria, the United States of Biafra has rejected ongoing discussion around the creation of Anioma State in Nigeria, insisting the region already forms part of its territories. In a statement issued by its Deputy Prime Minister, Ngozi Orabeze, the separatist group said Anioma State, with Asaba as its capital, is among the 40 states it declared as part of Biafra in November 2024 in Latin Finland. Okay. The statement comes amid recent remarks by Senator President Govt Akpabio supporting the creation of Anioma State, as well as reported backing from lawmakers Ned Nwoko. Orabeze warns that any attempt by Nigerian authorities to incorporate Anioma into Nigerian state structure, or what she described as political project of the ruling All Progressive Congress, would be resisted. The state of Anioma, with capital in Asaba, is part of the 40 state of Biafra declared on November 29, 2024. The statement read, adding that effort to include the area within Nigeria would not be accepted. USB, which is United States of Biafra, further announced Honorable Reverend John Izuebu as the current governor of Anioma State under his structure, and called on residents who identify with his cause to support his leadership. It also urged people in the region to resist the Nigerian government under President Bola Tinubu, as well as Akpabio and Nwoko. Nigerian federal government has not officially responded to the statement, while discussion on the potential creation of Anioma State remain part of ongoing constitutional and political debate. So this is how one of Nigerian newspaper carried the news and reported it. Like I said, it is good to that even if they don't want to hear from all the report and the letter documents sent to them, and if this is the word that maybe that will start open their eyes and make them to reason, why not? That's part of it. All right, so I'm not gonna allow this to play to the end like the video of the convention because of the time. This is a morning edition. I have to keep it as simple as I can so that it will not bore you or waste your time for you to have other things to do. So please make sure you like the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you have not, and let me know what you think about USB stand, why letting Nigerian government that creating another state is not the ultimate answer. You may think that is the best thing to do, but believe you me, you are wasting your time, because according to history, there's this a kind of secret agreement on how to use state creation to disrupt or distract anybody. Whenever you talk about your liberation, they will present state creation for you, so that you turn around and begin to jubilate about it, while the people the people that own Nigeria will be busy sharing the whole thing apart. So in case of let me just get you the video of Govt Akpabio, what he said that made US government to call him out and to say the record straight. Na Igbo say that na-anabazi mmadụ na-abazi, ọ bụrụ sọsọ ịwara ụka anabazi onu. If Govt Akpabio is young, then it is duty for the African government, USB government, to say the record straight before him and remind him the truth, so that he's not going out, he's not burying himself with lies and falsehood. Anioma will be the 6th state in the southeast, says Senator President Govt Akpabio. So Sana Akpabio made this post and said, how many of the already 36 states have you criminals developed or industrialized. Did I hear him saying that more states said the more state, the more the development? Fulani loves seeing you guys display foolishness. Okay, let's hear from what he said.
For Anioma State, the capital will be in Asaba. And then for Delta State proper, the capital will be in Warri. So it's not a problem. Praise the Lord. So I don't think we should be afraid because the more states we have, the more the development. So just keep us in the various houses. It simply means that we will have one additional state. And that one additional state definitely will also be good and progressive for the southeastern part of Nigeria. The Lord bless the people in Jesus' name.
All right, you have heard it all. So please let me make sure you like the video and let me know what you think. God bless you and good morning to you. Bye bye for now.